Hello, Tony with Blue Collar Barbecue. Thanks for stopping in. Today we're going to be trying out a new spice that we just picked up. It's from Craft Spice Blends. They're a local spice business here in the Watertown area. We're going to be trying out their Amber Chipotle Barbecue. Our test subject today is going to be baby back ribs. Stick around. We'll let you know how they turn out. So I've already got the ribs prepped and ready to go in the oven. As you can see, I put a good dose of seasoning on both sides. I did take the time to remove the membrane. There's plenty of videos about that. You can check out other channels to see about that process. We're going to just cook these in the oven today because the idea is to get the flavor profiles of just the rub. So we're not going to be smoking them, and it's only 10 degrees outside in a snowstorm. So going outside and lighting up the smoker just wasn't in the cards for me today. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I have the oven set at 255, and about every hour or so we're going to be mopping the ribs using just a standard Memphis mop. This has apple juice, apple cider vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, and then I added quite a bit of the Amber Chipotle barbecue seasoning from Craft Spice Blends just to enhance the flavors a little bit. Okay, it's been about 5 hours. Our ribs are done. We're going to let these rest for a little bit, and then we'll give them a taste test and let you know what we think. Okay, after we let our ribs rest, we've already had our sample, and I gotta say that this is a rub that I can definitely recommend. It has a nice sweet start with a little bit of bite on the back end. So again, that's Craft Spice Blends. This is their Amber Chipotle Barbecue. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.